Welcome to Down the Rabbit Hole with Eric Ebersol. Have you ever spent 10 minutes chasing a question online and come away with nothing? 2 tabs, 8 bookmarks, 0 clarity. Stay with me. I'll show you a 7-minute map that turns curiosity into a tiny experiment you can run tomorrow. Welcome to Down the Rabbit Hole. I'm Philip. And today we build one page that answers more than a web search. Oh man, been there. The scrolling spiral is real. Exactly. Messy curiosity is why this matters. We're building a single page map of curiosity that turns a fuzzy question into 3 tiny moves. A seed question, some prioritized branches, and 1 small test. Curious, short, testable, and disposable. My kind of project. Let's start with the seed question. Don't try to capture everything. Aim for one crisp sentence that nudges answers into categories you can act on. Wait, don't let that stop you. An example helps. Instead of asking, why does coffee taste different? Try, what are the 3 biggest factors that change coffee flavor between shops? That phrasing pushes answers into short categories you can test. Not long essays. Ooh, 3 biggest factors. Nice. That already points to beans, roast, and preparation. Right. The seed is scaffolding for the rest of the map. From that center, you draw branches that actually help you decide what to do next. Okay, branching. I see people spiral into 50 links. How do we stop that? 3 quick rules. Prioritize what helps you decide next. Keep 2 or 3 branches per node and label each branch with the expected payoff, like quick answer, deep read, or hands-on test. That tiny label is your guardrail. Label payoff, simple and brilliant. So under beans, you'd write origin, quick answer, and processing, in-depth article. Then tomorrow, you know if it's a 5-minute detour or a half-hour deep dive. Exactly. And now, the most important move, a test node. Turn a question into a tiny experiment so you actually learn rather than collect facts. Short pause. Tests are the truth serum for curiosity. You can compare 2 labels, ask 1 direct question, or do a 5-minute side-by-side taste. Tiny experiments beat another bookmarked article every time. Okay, let's practice. Grab a sheet of paper or open a note app. We're going to build a 1-page map together in 60 seconds. You ready? Ready. If you have a phone, set a 60-second timer when I say go. If not, just move with us. No perfection, just speed. Go. Start by writing your central curiosity in 6 words or fewer. Ours. What makes coffee taste different? Keep it short. That's your seed. Next, draw 2 or 3 branches from that center. Label them with short tags. Beans, brew method, water/temperature. Don't overthink the labels. Just note the likely categories. Then add a test link to 1 branch. For example, compare 2 single origin drip coffees, same roast, note 3 flavor differences. Specific, time-bounded, and actionable. Short pause done? Great. If you finish those 3 moves, you have a functioning map. A seed, prioritized branches, and 1 test. You can stop right there, toss it, or expand tomorrow. Quick note on using the map. Run or schedule the test first. The result tells you whether to keep pushing down a branch or to pivot. That feedback loop is what makes these maps efficient. I want to push back a little. Some people will say, I don't have time for tests. Fair point. But tests can be 5 minutes. Ask a quick question, compare 2 labels, or jot a photo of a menu. The idea is trade grandeur for clarity. Even a tiny check moves you from vague to useful. Totally. Tiny wins beat perfect plans. And remember, you can throw away maps when they stop helping. They're tools, not obligations. Let's recap in plain language. 1. Phrase a seed question that invites short, useful answers. 2. Keep branches few and label expected payoff so you know how deep to go. 3. Add 1 tiny test. specific, measurable, and quick. A practical next move. Tomorrow, make one map for something tiny, a recipe tweak, a weird word, or coffee, and run one quick test. Keep it to 1 page and 7 minutes. Laughing. You'll be surprised how often that small map pays off. If this helped, subscribe so we can keep bringing short, practical tools like this. Try a daily map for a week and see what changes in how you learn. Don't be afraid to learn. Thanks for listening to Down the Rabbit Hole. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll peek at another tiny tool next time. I like that. See you soon. You've been listening to Down the Rabbit Hole with Eric Ebersol.